the Nikon AF 600 35mm film camera. Now, I've gone to Brighton. I have made a POV. You can check out the shots, they're coming shortly. I'll give you a little brief run through of the spec of the camera, but basically I picked up this camera because I needed something that when I'm traveling, I can sort of pack light, so I can take my Canon, I can take my Fuji, and I can take my little Nikon point and shoot film camera. I'm quite impressed with this, I have to say. The autofocus is sharp, the pictures have come out quite nicely. I'm going to show you the images shortly. So yeah, let's jump in. Right then guys, so as promised, what I'm going to do before I actually jump into the photos, I'm going to basically give you some of the stats on this camera. So as I said earlier, it's a 35mm film camera. I am using, I think it's a Portra 400. It's quite a nice day shooting these. So yeah, Portra 400, as you can see. I think it accepts anything from 100 to 1000 on the old ISO scale. This one's obviously 400, does it all automatically, so it is super easy to use. If you're getting into film photography, this camera is a really good one. Obviously other point and shoots are available. I happen to just kind of stumble across this one, so that's why I'm with this one. Did a bit of research, I thought, yeah, I'll go for that because it's pretty cool. So yeah, it's all automatic. The film goes in, it winds itself up, it winds itself back. It's simple, couldn't be easier to use. Has a focal length of 28mm and a minimum focusing distance of 35cm, which is quite impressive, I think. So you can get up proper close if you wish. Now, you don't get much bokeh. There is a lot of depth of field. You're basically shooting everything in focus, which isn't a bad thing, but just be aware of that. If you're someone who likes that dreamy bokeh, you ain't getting it. Has autofocus, auto light meter, pretty much the easiest film camera you can buy. Anyway, we'll jump into the action now. I'm going to leave you to the music and then I'll sign you out later. hope you enjoyed Brighton in the sun, guys. It is a cool place to shoot some street photography, so get down there if you're living near or you're able to get down there. It is quite cool, totally different to London. Yeah, film photography, very different. I highly recommend trying to dabble if you can. I know it's getting more expensive, but it is a really good way to sort of switch off from digital, think outside the box a little bit, maybe change your style, change your approach, and just take things a bit slower. It's quite fun, it's quite interesting. If you've got any comments or questions, guys, hit me up below. I will answer them. I'm happy to make more videos. If you want, if you enjoy this sort of content, just let me know. If you enjoy my photos, hit me up on all social media at NJMFlix. Till then, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.